Tito Jeff here, Ormoc City, Leyte, Philippines. This is GR, one of Rico's brothers. He's been doing the outside concrete work on the walls. And now he's moved inside, and they are starting to put floor tile in the bedroom. We have a beautiful white, kind of a marble quartz ceramic floor tile. And he's got started working. He's made it, made a grid to show what level he wants it at. And here comes oh, this is Ronald. This is not GR. Ronald. And this is Roy. Right, So they're putting down an extra layer of concrete, basically, on top of the floor to bring the tile level up to where they want it. And you can see we're going to come out here over this tile, I think, in front of the bathroom and between the living room and across this other bedroom. So they'll be at the same level. And I won't stub my toe. So the other thing that's going on, Glenn, the electrician, is over here making a lot of noise, and he's punched a hole in my wall. So I have a holy house. And that's where the new box is going to go. And he's got a temporary wiring. Oh, I'm sorry. He's got yet another temporary electrical wiring, so we don't have to go without electricity. And I'm not sure how that's working. But anyhow, we're making a lot of progress. Lots of stuff going on here today. And over here, let's go over here and talk to the girls. While I change slippers, I can't walk around in the same slippers all the time. Marisol has lots of rules about which flip-flops or slippers I can wear. Antonietta and Merlinda are painting the window frames chocolate brown. Yeah. Good job, Antonietta.
Thank you.
Yeah. Say hello to YouTube, Merlinda. Good job. It's going to look really nice. It smells good. Doesn't smell like chocolate, though. All right. So that's day 7. A second update for day 7. So I'm not sure what else to show you. I think that's about it. Let's see what's going on in the other bedroom with the ceiling. Okay. Yeah, they're still working on this ceiling in here. That's GR. And Roy. Okay. So I got Ime and Roy mixed up. So over here the tile is Ime and GR. And the ceiling is Roy. GR and Roy on the ceiling. Ime and Roland on the tile. I'm going to watch him put one down here. Comes Ime with some more tile, and I think they've been out there wetting the back of the tile with a water hose. So it's going to raise the floor up about maybe 2 inches, and the ceiling's coming down a little bit. I'm going to feel taller. It's going to make me feel taller.
Hello.
Hello. Okay. Tito Jeff here, Ormoc City, Leyte, Philippines, for day 7, update number 2.